So friend, this is a resource monitor, my video here, and this is my Blue Sky channel here. Last previous video I am told about this disk activity. So what is a disk activity and how can we identify disk properly work, some normal work, some normal behavior work, some very hard work and some in loading type work here. So disk utility, how can we understand, how can we identify disk activity and some process and some disk with this resource monitor. Other information I will show you in part 5. So this is my all of a video part wise here, and watch in a contemporary part wise video because this is all of part depend uh, part wise. So you cannot directly watch because either you cannot you understand these information sums here. So this is a control panel. All of information I will give you, and some deeply practical here. So how can we using control panel, how many type are using, and advantage and the benefits of so lot of people not understand, lot of people not know about what is the benefit of control panel. So let's start this information. Not only one file, lot of file automatically start, but in you can see here different type process ID only first or 444. You can see a process ID 4, but I am open other folders and software, so you can see other side. Okay, so this is a disk utility inside work with three type new available systems here, and I'm select, and you can see a disk utility showing me this type filtered by your these files here. So this is a file for my software and I'm in processes because I'm first I'm check this is a task, and you can see I'm on click and you can see a same. So this is a using a highest activate type. So sometime very load your computer, very load work. So 198, that means your hard disk very slow and very slow your computer, and some folders, some files, some your software very high level configuration need. So this reason 98% going, and so my case inside you can see 1%, 2%, 5%. That means not more load on my hard disk, and my completely smooth running my computer and computer activate data, and you can see here write totals and different type input output systems here. So first you can see here different type process ID and process with different type files here. So you can see here network, and network inside you can see first I have no network because I'm not connected with internet. So just you can see here right side no anything not showing me data. So you can see first network and TCP connection, UTP connection. So the first your Mbps set means your speed of your network, and the TCP connection means your TCP protocols work in Ethernet. First you can see so RJ45 cable type using this type, and Wi-Fi you can see Wi-Fi I cannot use because I have no Wi-Fi signals type you know but I will show you. And local area connection to local area connection, three different tab I'm created by already two tab network in my computer. So you can see, and you control your maybe your systems showing this tab your because this time not showing because I'm not connect internet and not connect with, so not showing anything process and network with activity. So what is this process with network? So this network process work your operating system and work with your computer hardware. So this activity, how many type files work, how many type access your files, and what is the behavior, your network utilization, network connection in network data. So this is a very important for only network and internet speed, and different type files work with your CPU and your say networks inside data. So you can see first kbps network 00, because I'm not connect internet. I'm not connect my computer not connect internet. And you can see first some columns. So images, process id, address, and send receive data, you can see. So I'm just first connect my internet, and I will show you. So you can just not these are not, you can see here. So I'm just connected now this time, and you can see my network inside different type process start. Okay, so I'm already connect, and you can see my Wi-Fi network, and you can see. So first without network you cannot see this type process, and you can see. So first you can see showing me data and my connected internet and internet connection. So Wi-Fi I'm work with network activity, and you can see my process files different type here. So systems files in main system files here, and SVC host different type. This is UTC VC. What is UTVC? I will discuss later. But you can see here this type all of files work with your network, and process ID you identify directly. And you can see send and receive. Send and receive. What is send and receive? My computer send some request, and that vision coming response means receive. So send how many bits seconds send my data, and receive I am my data. So you can see a network inside my this type right side here. So first with you already know about without network you cannot see. So my already I'm connected in my Wi-Fi network in the side my network. Okay, so first you can see here uh, first you can watch here different type my mbps, but I have no more speedily network and internet. So you can see slow type showing me. And this is a TCP connection means this means TCP protocols always this type request, and very lot of request sending this time you can see. And this all of showing TCP protocols. Okay, TCP protocols type connections request. And you can see a three type always work, and system files always work in my system's computer, because this is a main file. And network activity means network showing me different type ports, different type process, and different type addresses. So what is a different process with a network activity, and what is the different network activity to network. So network activity means your main file process ID, and you can see address my here. So this is the IP version 6 and IP version 4 mix here. I will discuss in network side what is the IP version 4 and what is the IP address version 6. But you can see here you work anything without IP address you cannot connect your computer and the internet. You can see here 4077226, this is a IP version 4. And you can see here this tab with alphabet number means IP version 6. And you can see send and receive my internet data and connection, and you can see a total. Okay, so all of bitwise mbps I can check how many type my network data send, how many type data my load on my computer traffic, my network traffic I can check here. And this is a resource monitor help me this type system send and receive system. So send means my computer how many type request sending, and you can see a one type request sending. And receive you can see I'm connected, but I'm download one file here for you, because I'm just showing you. So you can 15 597. So this is showing here. And TCP connection means TCP connection showing here. Two type connection, TCP ports and UDP ports. I will discuss in TCP and UDP protocols. But this is a transmission control protocol connection, and working with my some files and some process address. So you can see here my svc host.exe. This is a host files here available in my network, and using always host connection systems here. So you can local address here, and this is a very important sometime, because my this type of file always connect with my network and help me. So my process id, this type file number 888 you can see here, and this is my IP version 6, and for IP version 4 here you can see here. And local port means in case this port fails, so this local port automatically connect and start here. And remote address, you can see I can use remote addresses here. So this is a very important, and you can check by cmd command prompt. I will show you how can we use command prompt. So first you can see remote port and remote connection. You can I will discuss in remote connection. So packet loss mean lose your data, lose your connection with your data, and that means packet loss. And I'm not lose my connection. You can see a mail. So mail work with only internet, and sometime my mail not completely going there side. So that means my mail is data not going in network with internet. So that reason lose my data, and this reason this showing here 1 2 anything, how many you send depend on you data. And internet connection always latency milliseconds. You can see here 116 and 166 anything. So these millisecond check your data and transmissions, your only your computer from to your network, not internet connection calculating. And again listening ports, this is a very some important ports, because you can see here system 44. I am already talked about. This is a main file for main operating systems process, and you can see here. So you can check here happy version 6 and happy version 4. So I'm already talked about softwares. So I'm just click on www.google.com and open Google. Okay, I'm just showing you example, and I will check here. You can see here, and this software always show me file. You can see here Chrome. So what is systems work? Okay, so you any folder, any file open and work with that file in internet, so automatically showing in your resource monitor. You can see here. Okay, so I'm open Google. Okay, and you can see my website. Any website you open in your computer, so you can see here Chrome file here. So you can see svchost.net. This means showing me. And firewall status means allow, not allow, UDP protocols, UDP TCP protocol I already told you. So UDP protocol and TCP protocols mean, you can see transmission control protocol, two type protocol work in network. So you can see. And I'm just showing you firewall status means firewall is one type of network security. You allow this type connection, you allow this software. Maybe you use software your suspend, and I think not work. So that reason means firewall status are not you allow by your systems. So first I will show you this type svc host.exe. So these allow restricted some files in my firewall. So this reason, and I cannot using more system here. So you can see here resource monitor save setting. You want to save this type, all save your systems in your files, your files details in your computer. And in future you can use this type of main this file. Not I'm save txt notepad, so I'm just click on select locations, and first I'm just showing save why saving, and because sometimes we need information this resource monitor, how many computer using network, how many computer work with process. So restore monitor means maybe sometime not perfectly your setting. For this reason you can reset your data. So this is how you can see first all of these type files available in and work with my network connection. So this my resource monitor complete, and I will talk about next time what is the task scheduler and why using a task scheduler, and after computer management. Sorry. So thanks for watching my video.